Hi everybody, this is Daryl at Ural of New England and giving you a little sneak peek of what goes on behind the scenes. Today, if you guys will look behind me, you will see what we got on our truck today. We have our shipment of 2019 Urals, and we have about 10 here that we just got in. We stock more bikes than anybody else in the United States, and I don't think anybody got this big an order at one time. They were held up for a little while, but they've been released, and as you can see, we have them here, and we're going to start uncrating them tomorrow. So we should have our 2019s on the floor within the next couple of days. We have a few lucky people that have already pre-purchased bikes, so their bikes are mixed in here as well, and we'll be getting those guys done and getting them on the road as soon as possible. So along with having these 19s, we still have some 18s left over. They're aggressively priced. They come with a 3-year warranty included, so they're fantastic deals. But if you've got your heart set on a 19, now's the time. So keep an eye out for us. We'll be showing you videos of these as we get them assembled, and look forward to seeing you on the road. Thank you very much. This is Daryl from Ural of New England.